In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and save images in Kajabi using Adobe Express. Kajabi includes a built-in Adobe Express integration that makes it easy to update images without leaving your workflow. This is especially useful when you want to crop an image, add text, adjust brightness or contrast, apply filters, or even remove the background before placing that image on a page or inside an email. Instead of downloading the file, editing it somewhere else, and uploading it again, you can handle everything right inside Kajabi. To get started, go to your Kajabi dashboard. This is your main starting point for navigating the platform, and from here you'll be able to access the area where your website content is managed. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Website. This takes you into the section where you can manage the visual parts of your site, including the pages where your images appear. Next, click on Website Pages. This will open the list of pages connected to your Kajabi site so you can choose the one you want to work on. From there, click on your site. This opens the page editor where you can make changes to individual page sections and content blocks. If you're editing an image for a page, this is where the Adobe Express integration becomes available. Now click on the image block you want to edit or create a new one if needed. The image block is the specific content area that holds the image, so selecting it lets Kajabi show the editing options for that asset. If you're creating a new image block, make sure it's placed in the section of the page where you want the final image to appear. After selecting the image block, click on Image Actions. This opens a menu with options related to the image currently in use. It's the control point for replacing, updating, or editing the image directly. Then click on Edit Image. When you do this, Adobe Express will open in a pop-up window. This built-in editor gives you several quick tools designed to help you polish the image before saving it back into Kajabi. At this point, edit your image using the tools available in Adobe Express. You can crop and resize the image if you need it to fit a certain layout or aspect ratio. This is helpful if the image looks too zoomed in, too wide, or doesn't align well with the page design. You can also use quick actions, including background removal, which is useful for creating cleaner visuals or cutout style graphics. If the image needs visual improvement, use the adjustment tools to fine-tune things like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Small changes here can make an image look much more professional and better matched to the rest of your brand. You can also add design elements such as text, shapes, or filters. These can help if you're creating a promotional graphic, a banner image, or a thumbnail with a bit more visual emphasis. As you edit, keep the final placement of the image in mind so the result looks good in the space where it will appear. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save in the top right corner of the Adobe Express window. Kajabi will process the edited image and save it directly to your media library automatically. That means you don't have to manually export and re-upload the file, which saves time and helps keep your workflow simple. Finally, click Save on the Kajabi sidebar. This step is important because it applies the updated image to your page or email. If you skip this final save in Kajabi, your edited image may be stored in the media library but not actually placed on the content you were working on. And that's how to edit and save images in Kajabi using Adobe Express. Once you get used to this process, it becomes a fast and convenient way to make image updates without interrupting your design workflow.